How to play multiplayer on Super Mario December 18th, 2025 World Switch Full Guide. Most people get this wrong, but playing Super Mario December 18th, 2025 World Multiplayer on the Switch can be a blast when done correctly. You won't believe how easy it is to set up and start co-op fun. Start by launching the game on your Switch. On the main menu, select Multiplayer and choose either Local Play or Online Play. Local Play allows up to 4 players on the same console, while Online Play connects friends remotely. For Local Play, connect additional Joy-Cons or Pro controllers. Assign each controller to a player and select your characters. In Online Play, each player must have a Nintendo Switch Online subscription and add each other as friends in the Nintendo system. The surprising truth is that many players forget to sync their controllers properly, causing frustration. Make sure each controller is recognized before starting. Once ready, choose your level and start playing. Characters can work together or compete for coins, adding fun variety. During gameplay, communicate to coordinate actions, especially when tackling difficult levels. Remember, players can drop in and out of sessions in online mode without losing progress. In conclusion, to play multiplayer on Super Mario December 18th, 2025 World Switch, choose your mode, connect controllers or friends, select characters, and start the level. With this guide, multiplayer gaming is smooth, fun, and full of surprises.